Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So this is how I actually use these acrylic shelf dividers. So before buying, you might be wondering if they really hold heavy purses without slumping or falling over. I'll answer that question so you know that you're buying the right ones for your closet. Now these are designed to keep purses displayed beautifully and organized, but they also work for clothing, folded clothing, or linens. You can create organized sections and maximize your vertical space with no slumping or toppling over. They are made of this strong acrylic construction, so they hold heavy things securely. There's no insulation. All you have to do is just slide it on to your shelf. Comes right off. And I love that they're the clear design, so they blend into any space, but you can see what you have stored. You could use these in the closet like I have here, or you can use them in the kitchen or in an office or maybe on bookshelves. These are ideal for anyone who wants a cleaner, more efficient space without installing permanent shelving. I love them.